Good morning to all students. Now I am going to teach about 6th standard Maths Bridge course, day 8 under the topic equal non-equal. Today we are learning how to identify equal parts. When we look at the circle, we can see it's been split into equal parts. We say the parts are equal because we can see that each piece is the same size. By contrast, let's take a look at the circle which is not split into equal parts. We can see that the two pieces are not the same size, meaning these are not equal parts of the circle. Now that we have seen this example, let's look at this shape and identify if it's split into equal parts. Well, we can see that not all of the parts are the same size, so this shape is not split into equal parts. If we take a look at this triangle and split it up into its different parts, you might notice, well, this one is pointing in a different direction, but if we were just split it around, we can see that all of these parts are the same size. Therefore, the shape is split into equal parts. We can say this triangle is split into 4 equal parts. Now, let's practice some of these together. Which of these shapes is split into 4 equal parts? Well, let's start by looking at this first shape. How many parts is the shape split into? The shape is split into 4 parts. Are all of the parts equal? No, we can see that all of the parts are not the same size. These are not equal parts. Let's look at this next shape. How many parts is the shape split into? The shape is split into 1 3 parts. It cannot be our answer because we are looking for a shape that was split into 4 parts. What about this last one? How many parts is this shape split into? This shape is split into parts. Okay, are the parts equal? Yes, all of these parts are the shape are equal. The shape is split into 4 equal parts. Now it's time for you to practice on your own. Which is these shapes is split into 3 equal parts? We can see this first shape is split into 3 parts, but they are not equal, so it's not split into equal parts. The second shape is split into 3 parts as well, and they are all equal in size. This is its. The last shape is also split into 3 parts, but those again are not equal. Therefore, only this shape is split into 3 equal parts. Now, here's your last problem for this video. Which of this shape is split into 5 equal parts? Well, the first shape is split into 4 parts. It cannot be this one. The second shape is split into parts and all of them are equal. The last shape, it's also split into 5 parts, but they are not all equal in size. Therefore, this shape is the only correct answer. Today you learned how to identify equal parts in a shape. I hope you understand about equal non-equal. So all the students kindly do the activity and send it through the WhatsApp group. Thank you to all.